you need another car key for your Toyota vehicle, I've got a solution for you. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an extra key and remote for your Toyota vehicle using Tom's Car Key Programmer. I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. Check out our website, tomskey.com, where you can order this kit that I'm about to demonstrate, and it'll save you a ton of money over the cost a car dealership's going to charge to make another key for your vehicle. Today, I'm demonstrating this on a 2018 Toyota Sequoia. Now, this works for lots of different Toyota vehicles, and we've got solutions for all sorts of vehicle year, makes, and models. Today, I'm demonstrating with the Tom's Car Key Programmer model TSL1. We'll try to keep it straight on our website so you order the correct model, but if it doesn't work, you may need to use this one, model TSL2. This one has some additional capabilities and will work for vehicles that the first version doesn't work for. When you come to our website, find your vehicle, order the keys and programmer that you need. If you're using one of our rental programmers, those include a security deposit that's fully refunded once you send it back to us after you complete the programming. Let me show you how easy this is. Before you can use this key programmer, you need to check that you have a master key. So you gotta look around, find the blinking red light. Sometimes it's over near the radio. Occasionally it's up near the top. Often it'll be on your dashboard over here, near your console. And sometimes it's even over this way. On this Sequoia, it's right there. Come down here near your gas and brake pedal, look around until you find the OBD2 port. Sometimes it can also be up in a compartment near the steering wheel. Plug in the cable. Okay, this is our existing key with the tile key finder. You can pick these up on our website in case you've ever lose a key. It is paired to your smartphone so you can find your keys. Slide the existing key and watch the blinking red light. If it turns off immediately, you have a master key. If, when you put the key in, it turns on for 2 seconds, you have a valet key, and you're going to need to reach out to us, help at Tom's Key Company, where we might be able to help you with our more advanced Tom's Car Key Programmer model TSL2. Okay, we're going to take our master key, put it in the ignition, turn it 2 clicks to the on position. So we did not start the engine, but we've turned it on, all the lights on the dashboard lit up. On the key programmer, we need to slide the toggle switch to make sure it's on key, because we're going to program the key chip portion. That'll allow the engine to start. Remember, there's 2 things to be programmed on these. There's the remote buttons, or the fob buttons, and then there's the chip that allows the engine to start. So you got to do both of them. So we're on key, turn it to the run position, you're going to plug it in, listen for the beeps. Okay, we know it's communicating. Now we need to watch the red security light. Keep watching for the security light. See it turn on solid red? That lets us know it's time to program a new key. So the computer's looking for the new key. We take out the existing master key, put in the new one. It doesn't even have to be cut for this. And now we're going to wait for 60 seconds while the computer learns the chip for this new key. Now watch the blinking red security light. Notice it blinks at a steady blink, off, blink, pause, blink, pause. That lets you know it's programming properly. If there's a different pattern, like maybe 2 quick blinks, a pause, and then 3 quick blinks, or 2 quick blinks, pause, 1 quick blink, pause, that lets you know there's a problem. We can help you out. We finished our 60 seconds. The blinking red security light stopped. So this key is now programmed. It simply needs to be cut to start the vehicle. Don't forget to cut the key blade. To avoid the hassle of finding a car dealership or locksmith that will cut your key, you can order our optional Key by Photo key cutting service. The Key by Photo service from Tom's Key Company is super easy. Simply take your key off the key ring. Then you simply upload photos of your existing key once you check out. And with the wonders of technology, we'll cut your key before shipping so it arrives ready to fit your vehicle. So we know this is programmed because as we slide it in, the blinking red security light stops blinking. With the chip portion programmed, now it's time to program the fob buttons. So we're going to unplug our programmer and change it from key to remote. Take your master key, put it in the ignition, turn it 2 clicks to the on position, do not start the engine. And we're going to plug this in. Now we're going to listen to the beeps. Okay, it's communicating. When it starts beeping repeatedly, we need to open the driver's door. Have your key or keys ready to program. Open the door. I'm going to press lock and unlock, and then lock. There you go. You heard it beep. You might need to repeat that 2 or 3 times. In this case, it took the very first time. Now let's check that it works. Take out your master key. You can't lock the car when the key is in there with the remote. And here's the new one. Lock, unlock. Okay, here's the old one. Lock, unlock. Okay, everything's good. Wasn't that easy? Now, why does the car dealership want to charge so much money to do that? So, if you run into a problem, be sure you email us, help@tomski.com, and we'll take care of you. If we can't solve your problem, we'll give all your money back. There you go. You've seen how easy it is to use Tom's Car Key Programmer to make a spare key when you have one original working master key for your Toyota vehicle. So come check us out, tomski.com. We look forward to helping you save a ton of money over the cost car dealerships are charging. Have a great day.